Thank you so much for coming to my channel. It's a new channel, so if you're giving it a chance, I appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's my goal as a somewhat intermediate trader and investor to teach the new person that doesn't know anything, that just kind of and that wants to know what's available, right, for how to trade digital assets, how to be involved with digital assets. So I'm just kind of in this series in the YouTube, it's of this YouTube series, it's my goal to just really just share with you my journey as I'm going through the process. And then as I'm going through it, the victories and the losses and the challenges, then we can you can learn and hopefully shorten your learning curve, because you can shorten your learning curve as we go along. And so before I get too far, I just want to do a volume check, make sure that I'm not talking too much. Yep, looks like should be good. Should be good. Okay. So this is how I personally got started. Was a couple years ago, a client of mine advised me, says, Mark, you should consider, this when Bitcoin was actually right around $10,000, just around that. It was right around there, 90, right, that number around 9,000 or so. And so I actually, a client of mine encouraged me to buy one. So I saved up, I bought one and still that was a lot of money to me. I didn't really know what it was going to go up to. He just said, whatever you can do, buy one Bitcoin. And then, so I say the same thing to you watching this. Probably the same thing might apply to an Ethereum actually right now. If you could actually buy one Bitcoin, one Ethereum. This is not financial advice, and this is not financial advice at all. Please do your own research before making your own decisions. Everybody's situation is different, but if you were my friend, I'd say consider having one Ethereum even at its price right now. But it's gonna hopefully should do well. So the same thing with Bitcoin. So as you can see, this is Bitcoin. This is called a line chart. This is called a line chart, right? So a line chart just tells the history of the line, right? Now you can go on, go to TradingView. You can get a free account. I upgraded right away to the $14.99 account because I just wanted to save time with advertisements and stuff like that. I knew that I like saving time the best I can. So it's not that much, $14.99. And so anyway, so this is the line chart, but they do have a free version, TradingView, if you want the free version. Now, if you look up here, these are the time frames, okay? Yeah, right now I'm looking at the monthly, right? This is Bitcoin on the monthly candle, okay? Monthly line chart. And this is Ethereum also, which I follow really closely on the monthly. I'm sorry, that's not the monthly. On the monthly line chart right there. Look at that. Wow, that is just amazing, right? Look at how it's done. Look at that. And look at how that's done. Wow, that's impressive. That is really, if you can just kind of get a basic understanding of that, what's going on right there, that's amazing. That is so amazing. Now, there are basically 4 ways to invest and trade in digital assets. One is position trade. You do like I did. You just dollar cost average into something that you really believe into, and then you hold on to it for months or years, and that's position trading. You're trading, right? And that's a real great way for most people to get involved, particularly people that don't have a lot of time and they don't want to, spend a lot of time staring at the charts and stuff like that. I'm not trying to optimize every little move, but position trading is really a great way to trade, right? So that's position trading. Then the next, now also too, then there's momentum trading. Like for example, this is let's see here. One I did a momentum trade on right here. I did a momentum trade on this one. This one is called Shiba Inu. And I position traded. I got in down here. So right where this pink line is, I had this Coinbase. I had a Coinbase membership, and it listed on Coinbase, and it popped up like this. And I don't know. I just got lucky actually, and I was looking out, And when I looked at it, it was already down to here. And so this is right where I got into it. And my money, my investment has more than 10 times multiplied. So I'm very happy and grateful for that. I've taken profits and put them into other things. So I'm very happy and grateful for those things. So Bitcoin on the monthly. All right. So I'm sorry. So what I was trying to say there was, that's an example of momentum trading. I thought, man, this is going to go up a lot, and it has, and that's part of the momentum trading, right? So I momentum traded that. All right, and then so that's momentum trading, and then there's swing trading, which is actually now swing trading. This is swing trading. This is kind of like an example of the daily. Like swing trading is usually, the way I understand it, is you buy and sell at the general highs. Like if you were to position trade here, ideally you buy here and sell up here. Maybe buy here, sell here. It depends on how tight you want to get it. Now scalp trading. Let's look at the. Oh, let's don't look at that chart. Okay. Day trade day. Now, what's interesting, this is line chart, okay? So let's say scalp trading, okay? I'm going to show you candles in a minute. But scalp trading, maybe you buy here, somewhere in here, and you sell up here, right? But sell here, take a short, and get rid of it here, right? So you're selling short. You make money on the way down. So, and a lot of times you can make money up or down. If you're swing trading, you can profit by when the price goes up, you can profit, and you can, if you choose to, and when the price goes down, you can profit. Now, I want to show you. Now, you want to start to figure out and learn, your own self, the direction of things to go. What I'm sharing with everyone is the I Am Academy. I'm a student in the I Am Academy. If you are going to be a student, this is what you would do to log in. You just go to the I Am Center. You log in, your I Am Center. You go over to Academies. Okay, I'll show you what the other stuff is over here. Now, when you're a member of the Academy, you can either join one Academy or you can join 3 Academies. If you join just one Academy, it's probably going to be the DCX Academy. You get the exchange version and the digital leverage version, right? You get one or the other, right? So I'll just show you how it looks. Okay, with the exchange version, click enroll to you'll go to it, and then now how it works is you just watch a video, you get a check mark. Watch a video, get a check mark. And I've already been through this academy. You can see this is what it looks like. This is how you learn at your own pace, right? You learn at your own pace. All right. Now I can see I'm working myself through the leveraged version right now. Working myself through this. You can see where I'm at. I'm currently right here. So I'm currently working on leverage trading, right? So I'm learning how to do that. I'm currently setting up, and I'm going to keep you posted. I'm in a little bit of what they call a drawdown right now. This is a Ethereum leveraged long. So I bought in, and I hit the long button, and I'm saying it's going to go long. And I'm going to share with you why I feel like it is going to go long. Well, you can look at this. It looks very strong just in the monthly. This is the weekly. Now, what you learn in the academy is, okay, now one other thing I just want to share with you before you learn how to read what they call indicators and things that they kind of, if you read them right, they can kind of give you an idea of which way the price is going to go up, whether up or down. They're not always right. And, everybody, it's so challenging. It's kind of like an art and a science because, everybody's trying to figure out where's Bitcoin going to go? Where's Ethereum going to go? Where's all these other coins going to go? And so what we do is we learn what we can and make the most of what we got, right? So this academy, if you're in the academy, if you join one academy, the Digital Assets Academy, it's $175 a month. you get the learning version, what we just went over, the whole back office of learn at your own pace videos, and then you get access to over 200 different educators every week, Sunday through Saturday. We have live instruction. And one of my favorites, I'll just point you to for a new person, is Curtis Cobain right here, Club Crypto, right? We get on the live. You can ask them questions. They give you like, what's the latest stuff to get into? You know, right now there's this thing called the metaverse, and it's really early, and we're learning like how to, 10x our money, 100x our money, more, but that's just one small thing. But start with the basics. You learn, and you just take it one step at a time. You do the best with what you can. So one thing that I'm learning is there's one thing that's called Heikenisky Candles. So these, see how I changed it from the line to the candles, right? So this is Heikenisky Candles, Heikenisky right there, right? So there's an art to reading these candles and telling you, and being able to read the direction of the flow of like in this case, Bitcoin, by just looking at the candles, just looking at it, right? And then we have, okay, so then let's look, okay, let's kind of go back and forth. 3-hour candles. So we're gonna see what's going on here. Let's look at this. Okay, so this is on the 3-hour. Now also too, now let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna hide drawing. So these are all the indicators. Now everything just changed, right? There's a bunch of different what they call indicators on here, and they share with us, information that helps us make decisions, right? So one thing I'm looking for Bitcoin to do is it's most likely to at least come back up to where it was before, right? So when it's going to do that, I don't know, but it looks like, it wants to do it, right? This is kind of telling me this is going up, right here. All right. Now, this is on the 1 hour. This is what's called a Stochastic Rsi, and this tells a lot too. So we'll see what happens. It's kind of cooling off right now. So it's kind of cooling off. So we'll see what happens. Okay. But what I do like, if you go back to like the 6-hour, now these are time frames, right? So on the 6-hour, it looks great, right? Look at that. This looks like it wants to just come up. The 8-hour, I think, looks good too. The 6-hour looks good. The 4-hour, it's booming up. So, but it's cooling off on the 1 right now. See, it's like we got a little red right there. And so we'll see on the shorter time frames, I feel like it's a little more challenging to, tell where everything's going. So let's look at this, Ethereum. Okay, here's all the indicators on Ethereum. So let's go back to the 8-hour. That looks pretty good on the 8-hour. 6, that looks like it has good potential. 4, good potential. 3, good potential. Although you can tell it's cooling off right now. It's definitely cooling off for sure. 2, 1. See, the 1 definitely looks like it's cooling off right now. I mean, it's taking a cooler. Okay, it's Ethereum. Okay, that's Ethereum. So now let's go back to Bitcoin again. Let's go to the 45-minute. Okay, look at that. Okay, okay, 30-minute, 24, 15. Okay, this is definitely cooling off, but you know what? It could start to pick back up eventually. I like that it's down here on the 15-minute. I like that it's already this Stochastic Rsi. I like that it's below this line here. Tells me that it could potentially, we'll see. We'll start to work our way back up again. Will be very, very nice. So now let's go to Ethereum. 45-minute, 30, 24, 15. Okay. Oh yeah, so it's taking a cooler. All right. So let's see here. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, so we know where Bitcoin is. Well, let's hope that it works its way like this. I don't know if I can draw yet. Let's see here. Get better with the tools, but you get an idea. If I do my cursor like this, I'm thinking it can go potentially go like this. So, okay. Oh, okay. So we just hit a 15-minute mark. We just hit a new. See, now the candles just hit. Okay, not good on the hourly. So it's not changing yet. Like the 3 hourly still got time to see what's going to happen. The 1 hourly, it was definitely bearish. It went down. On the Ethereum on the 1 hour, bearish. It went down. 15-minute, bearish. Went down. But the looks like it's could be cooling off. Like maybe it's, gonna, it's rounding out, what they call kind of rounding out at the bottom. Okay. So that's the potential. Okay, I am working myself into a scalp / swing, because I really do believe that at some point we're going to hit 5,000. I believe could be this week, could be next week. So I'm going to add in my drawings. Okay, now don't get shocked here, but you're going to see a lot of art real quick all at once. Let's see. Boom. Okay. So let me share it to you on the 3 hour. Okay. So what I have found, I live in Arizona, which is, let's go to the daily for a minute, which is on Mountain Standard Time, but around 1 o'clock time here, seems like money just really moves around a lot, whether the price goes up or down. But this is a channel, and it's kind of, you can't read anything in it right now, but the Ethereum has just been going up, kind of like zigzagging up and down this channel right here. So we're going to zoom into it because we're in a scalp trade. So I'm just going to zoom in kind of like a magnifying glass. Okay. I was looking for some. If this trade, I'm in a trade right now. If it doesn't work out, if I cut it, I want to cut it before if it goes like really south. I was kind of thinking here's some definitely potential buy areas down here, but we may not even see that right now. But what's really kind of crazy is this could go up to like 5,000. See how we're charting up here, charting up this little. Okay, can I get you in here? Let's see here. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, I know it's kind of messy. It's a lot. So this is. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So this is okay. The target area, right? Okay, this is what I'm trying to bring up just a little bit better. Yeah, so like 5,000's been kind of my target area. It's very possible we could go up to like anything. This could be it right now. Nobody really knows, so we're just kind of playing it as we go. But it could go up to 5,000, then it could drop back down to 4,000. So that's why I've got these potential buy areas down here. But right now we're still working this channel right here, so I'm real focused in on this. It's 9 o'clock my time here. So you can see this bar to me represents 1 o'clock in the morning. So I really kind of watch the times. So we'll see, I kind of, from here, and I'm kind of watching this, I'm kind of seeing if this is potentially a support line. So I drew one, a bottom from here to here, right here. So I'm just kind of seeing, kind of track. It's not necessarily support right now. This has definitely been a strong support. This line out here. So like it could potentially come down to, 45.50 potentially. But we'll see what happens. So I'm just kind of tracking it. So we'll see. The weekends are a little funky. But right now it's Saturday, right here. It's around 9:04 p.m. Okay. So I'll let you know how this goes. I'm going to be posting. My goal is to share, my journey and hopefully assist you in how you can get involved. You can either be a position trader, a momentum trader, a swing trader, a scalp trader, whatever you want, you can buy. And it is a great time to be involved right now. There's so many things, and it really helps when you get on. These teachers really, like Curtis, gives us what is the latest, like, things to buy, like things that, I mean, you put 1,000 or put 100, anything you want, and it goes up, and it's gonna be good for you. It's gonna be so good. So if you're interested in finding out more about the Academy, just click. I encourage you to watch the 12-minute video that's inside the description of the video, and then just join. Just if you're open to it. If you have any questions, we'll be on the same team. We'll be working together. We can collaborate together in any kind of possible way. But I'm going to keep you. I'm building this trade out right here. My goal is to take this, build this account, this margin account, into a multi-million-dollar margin account, and do great things for charity. And as the channel grows, I'm going to be doing super chats are all going to go to charity. Like, I can look up a coin that you want, you super chat it, and we're going to donate to the homeless, to the hungry, to the animals, to the children. I have a lot of charities I'm lining up, and that'll all be in the description of the videos as well. You can just go check them out yourself. So, but that's it for now. So let's go rock this. We'll see what happens with Ethereum. This is what I'm really watching. What I found as a scalp trader, I've just enjoyed trading Ethereum the most. I feel like I get the most out of it, but I do buy things as a position. You know, I do position trade, and there's all sorts of things going on out there, and it's a great time to get involved. It is a great time. So many people are going to be kicking themselves a few years from now, and they look back and realize what they missed. So, best to you. Please like the video. If you like what I'm sharing, I'm going to be bringing back more of this. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to my first 100 visitors or 100 subscribers. So if you like learning any of this and you're interested, and it helps you in any kind of way, appreciate that. And we'll see you